Now let's talk about the kickoff meeting and some details about what kind of process and the people involved in order to come up with the proposed solution from the IT team. For any IT project, this is an important meeting because it introduces the team, the background of the project and its challenges, and the way on how to work together. For example, as a web developer, you will need to know where to get answers and who to ask. In a big company, you don't always know everybody, and this is a great opportunity to get to know someone new, and you may need their inputs when you begin to work on the project. Who are the stakeholders? In this case, the stakeholders are the president, the head of customer service, and customer service supervisor, or who owns or care about the outcome of the project or the web application in this case. You may have heard about the steering committee in case you have worked in a big organization. The steering committee is a group of people who usually do not work on the project themselves, but provides support, guidance, and oversight of progress. So for IT, an IT steering committee is a committee that includes some high-level stakeholders and/or experts who provide guidance on key issues or oversee the progress of the project. In our case, we do not have the steering committee. The people who do the actual work of the project called the project team. The project team consists of business analyst, lead developer, project manager, and the rest of the team members. In addition, depending on the company you worked, the project manager could be in any of the groups, the steering committee, stakeholder, and/or project team. After all, any software development is all about teamwork, and you need to know how to work with people. Let's take a close look at the project team since we are the creator of the project. All the smart guys are in this group. In the slide, we see that the project manager, PM, takes care of the project timeline and resources coming from both the stakeholders and software development team. The PM orchestrates overall process, including scoping, staffing, organizing at a minimum cost within a specified time frame. The business analyst takes care of business planning and analysis on the project, and he or she will define project scope and supplies project requirements, spec documents, project charters to the development team. Please note that depending on the company and the nature of projects, there may be some responsibility overlap between the BA and PM. For example, the responsibilities like managing project scope, planning on business analysis, defining the business need, and collecting requirements. The BA needs to translate from business needs to actual requirement definitions that will be used by the developer. Please also note that in a small organization, it's likely that there is no PM and BA available, and all tasks are expected to be fulfilled by the development team. It could be the software development manager or the lead developer to fill the gaps. But if there is no software manager, no lead developer, then you will be doing all yourself as the one-man show. That is still possible if the company is a startup or a very small company.